Sorry to my great, extensive viewing audience out there, but this video is going to be a little bit different as I had an idea for another show kind of thing here. So anyway, I'm a kind of a big fan of the show The Blacklist, right? And I just watched the episode tonight, and I'm like, no, I can't kill off Elizabeth, so this is going to be kind of a expose, if you will, on the next episode of The Blacklist or coming up, I'm sure. I think I've got this show all figured out. So anyway, who was in the ambulance with Elizabeth? It was the doctor that Raymond Reddington. I'm sorry, folks, I couldn't remember. Raymond Reddington, yes. Yes, he was in the ambulance with the doctor that he has bought and paid for. And he's the medical expert, and everyone else is like, oh, she's dead. The only way that he can protect Elizabeth is to kill her. Right? Kill. But guess what, folks? Scary talking head here. I don't believe that she's dead. No way. They can't just kill off Elizabeth like that. It has to be like a cover, so he can keep her safe if her enemies or the people that want to kidnap her think that she's dead. So that's the only way that he could do it. It's brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. But to play with the audience's heartstrings like that by killing off Elizabeth is kind of mean, right? So, Scary Talking Head, to reassure everyone out there and give this spoiler for the next episode or so, that we will find out that Elizabeth is still alive, right? So, I haven't figured out who Reddington is to her yet, but probably her father, but who knows, really? I mean, that part has still got me guessing. It's a good show, right? So, yes, anyway. And one other thing that I noticed that I think backs up my theory is that when they showed the little icon or whatever for the next episode, they got Raymond, and then they got Elizabeth Keene behind him with a gun, and that little, I don't know, it's like a icon for the series or something like that. So, anyway, folks, rest assured that no way they're killing off Elizabeth Keene. Scary Talking Head is pretty good about guessing these things. So, thank you for watching, and I hope I'm right. And I think this is pretty tricky of them, but I'm pretty sure this is it. I mean, so anyway. I hope that, sorry about that. I hope that this doesn't give it away for everyone. I mean, this is like predicting the future, kind of, and Scary Talking Head is very good at that. So anyway, thank you for watching, and subscribing, and thumbs upping, and all of that good stuff, and the nice comments, yes. Anyway, I will try and keep random videos like this coming and whatnot. So, anyway, have a good night, everyone, and hopefully I'm right. If not, please don't be too harsh with your criticism, okay? Because Scary Talking Head is very safe.